Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Shayla. If this is your first time here, I don't know if you guys can tell that it's about to be an eyeshadow review because I only have foundation on. That's how you know. If I start a makeup tutorial with just foundation and eyebrows, you know it's about to go down up in here. So Itsmyrayeraye just collaborated on her second launch with BH Cosmetics. I am so happy for her. I want to show you guys a palette. So her first palette was like really pretty rose gold. I loved her first palette. This is the second one. It's pretty. I mean, it kind of just has everything you need in one palette. I love, you know, the price point of this. It's only $17.50, under $20. You know what I mean? That's a really good price point. So her palette comes with, wait, 1, 2, 3, 5, 10, 15 eyeshadows. Okay, a mirror. All the names are on the front here. And you just have like a little bit of everything. Ray just had her baby. She's a new mom, and I'm just really proud of her, you know? I love seeing people win. I love seeing people collaborate, especially when it's something dope like this. And she's also launching a brush set. I actually used, you know, a lot of the brushes to put my makeup on, my powder, my bronzer. Oops, let me show you. Can I just like not drop something one time, please? All right, so this is the brush set powder. Pretty much everything in the powder family is right here for you. So I will be using her brushes in the tutorial, and I think I'm gonna do like a purple eye. See, I love when you look at a palette and you just don't even know what to do because there's so many options. I really like the green. I mean, you can tell by the backdrop, I was planning on doing purple, you know, but now that I'm seeing the green, I'm like, green's kind of cute, but I want to do the purple. I want to do the blue. Let's just do the purple, okay? So without further ado, let's get started. All right, so I'm going to start with the P. Louise eyeshadow base, and I'm only going to do one eye on camera. I think it's just better that way, so I'm going to use the number 9 brush and just put the base all over. So if I decide to cut the crease, I've just kind of been in like a cut crease kind of mood. If I decide to cut the crease, I'm going to put a little bit more of the base just on the lid. This is like a bomb base to cut the crease, the P. Louise one, and it's just color base. I know everyone asks me, they're like, what color is it? It literally just says base on it. So I don't know if it's like an old one or what. So you can see I'm just using my finger, kind of blend it out. Okay, I'm gonna start with brick first. Anytime I start with like a vibrant color like this in the crease, it's just like scary for me. I always love, you know, doing more of like a neutral transition color first. Oh yes, brick. Love this. It's hot, y'all. I need to move my hair out of my face. Let's see. I gotta like do it in a way so you guys can't see my edges, cause you know how that goes. Some of y'all know how that goes. Got a unit on, gotta hide the edges. All right, so let's go in with Majesty, this shade right here, and I think I'm gonna use, I really want to use like as many of her brushes as possible, so I'm gonna go in with this. So I typically don't like apply product with this type of bullet brush, but we're just gonna like kind of press it like this in the crease and then blend it out with, what is this? Is this number 9? Number 6. Number 6. Press, 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 press in the crease. Just creating the shape that I want. Actually, I'm like, it's not even blended, but that looks good, okay? Not blotchy. Not ugly, it's real cute. And you know, purple is my favorite color, so I do have a little bit of like a biased opinion. Purple just makes me feel happy. It's like a happy color. All right, so I'm gonna move to this fluffy brush, dip it in Majesty, and kind of blend out the edge. Oh my gosh, look at that. I love purples also because they make, I feel like they make the kind of like yellow in my brown eyes pop. Very complimentary, okay? If you have green eyes, purple's bomb, hazel eyes. I mean, any color eye can wear purple, but as far as like complementing and like pulling out the shade in your eye, brown eyes and green eyes are bomb with purple. Y'all didn't know I could sing, did you? No, obviously, can't sing, but I try. So I'm just kind of adding a little bit more product, making sure it looks really blended. If I wanted the color to be more intense than this, I would use a smaller brush, not as big of a brush to blend out the shade, but I kind of like things to look really blended and not muted, but like I'm not about to walk out the house like with purple up to my brows. You know what I'm saying? Like, no. I'm gonna make sure it looks nice and wearable. All right, now I'm gonna go back in with the P. Louise eyeshadow base, and I'm gonna cut the crease just a little bit. Just a little bit. Need a little bit more. Hold up. A little bit more. Cut it. Cut it. Cut it. Cut it. Kind of needed like a lot of product on the brush to cut it for an effective cut. Wait, hold up. I feel like I could do a better job than this. Hold up, let me, look, I went back to it like, wait, let me fix this real quick. I always cut one side better than the other, and then I go back like, hold up, we're not even. That's better. All right, so on the outside, I'm gonna do that same purple. The same purple, I'm gonna use the same flat brush. We're just gonna press this on the outside. And because it has that base, it's gonna show up like a lot brighter. Honestly, this is like really cute. Just kind of like blend the edge here, just like so. I could put liner on it, this could be a look. Like, I'm not even kidding. Okay, so next I'm gonna put Charmed, which is the frosty purple. So we are gonna put this kind of on the center of the lid. This, yeah, Charmed, Charmed. Oh yes. This color is so much more pigmented in person. It looks really cute. Like, I love, look at my eyes. I feel like it's really just bringing out my eyes, you know? So, okay, we're gonna switch from the purples just a little bit, and we're gonna put Top Notch, which is kind of like an iridescent, it's kind of like a rose gold type of shade. We're just gonna put that on the inside here, right? Is that what I wanna do? Yes. I could do yellow, but then that's doing a lot. Color, yeah, we'll just do Top Notch. And I'm using the same brush. I don't like to use a million brushes, you guys. That just means more brushes to clean. We do not have time, okay? Very busy over here. So at the edge here, you just want to kind of overlap the two shades so that they look blended. Just keep going back and forth until they kind of blend. You might need to like dip back into this purple color Charmed. Add a little more, but look at that. Isn't that pretty? Ray, I hope you're watching. I'm kind of killing it right now with your palette, okay? Oh my gosh, wow. All right, I'm gonna line my eye with the Marc Jacobs Grape eyeliner. This liner was kind of scary to me because it's like super thin. I'm like, I don't wanna poke my eye out, but it goes on super creamy and smooth. So I always line my waterline and then under the lash line too. This kind of works as like a base for the eyeshadow. All right, now I'm gonna go back to the Itsmyrayeraye bullet brush, number 7, and we're gonna dip into Majesty. See how my voice just cracks like that? Can't help it, you guys. You would think I would be able to sing with the voice as raspy as mine. So I'm just kind of pressing this shade under my lash line and now kind of just blend it out. So you want to pack the color on and then blend it afterward. Like, I wish I could just apply product under here without making a crazy face. Like, my lips look like a freaking butthole right now. I'm like, oh. I mean, look at that. How pretty is that? Ooh. All right, now I'm gonna line with Shady Liner from Dose of Colors. You guys know this is like my jam. I love this one so much. I used to wear Inglot, and then I was like, why am I gonna support Inglot when I could support Dose of Colors? You know? Oh, and we're winging it. We are winging it. Always draw that straight line out and then connect the end of the line to your regular liner. Just makes it easier when you do like small little steps versus like trying to do it all in one stroke of the brush here. All right, these are Colored Rain Safari Rain lashes. No mascara just yet. I love how wispy and just crazy these lashes are. So when the glue starts to get tacky, you just kind of want to like move it around, make sure it's in the right place. Feeling myself. All right, I'm gonna finish off this look with the Marc Jacobs Lash Primer. I love lash primer on my bottom lashes. It makes them like thicker, conditions them. I mean, mainly it makes them like thicker. All right, while the bottom primer is kind of drying, I'm gonna use the, what is this, Monsieur, the Lancome. I love this mascara. I have a couple mascaras that I really like. This is one of them. If you wear falsies, oh my God, I can't stop staring at myself. If you wear falsies a lot, you're probably not as like picky with mascara, you know? But this one still is good. Ooh, I kind of like these lashes to be like, I don't even know the word, tarantula, biter, you know? Thick, super thick. Wow, these two colors here look amazing together. Top Notch and Charmed. These two, that's what's happening. That's the magic that's happening on my eyes right now. I'm liking it. You guys can tell I'm like, ooh. I'm just looking at the monitor, not even looking at you. All right, I'm gonna put the rest of my face on, which is just like a little blush, maybe some lip gloss or something, and I will be right back. Actually, I wanna show you guys the highlighter brush. I'm looking at the brush like, wait, I'm about to use that, so I might as well show you. This is number 5. I just love the shape of this. And I'm gonna put my Colourpop Pose highlight on a little bit right here. Oh yeah, I love this shape. As soon as I saw it, I already knew. I was like, oh yeah, we're using that to highlight. Yep, natural, pretty. These brushes are actually really good, especially for the price. I mean, listen, makeup is expensive. Honestly, like I just wanna sit here like this and just stare. This is one of those looks like you just don't want to take off. I absolutely love how it turned out. I really love these two colors together. I think it looks so pretty. Congratulations, Ray Ray. I think that you did an amazing job. I think the palette looks beautiful and I think you guys are gonna love it. It kind of has a little bit of everything and it's under $20. Same with the brushes. The brushes are good. Honestly, I have nothing bad to say about this collaboration. I think it's really beautiful. This is gonna be one of those palettes that I'm definitely gonna wear again, just like her first one. I think she just has an eye for coordinating colors and I'm just really proud of her. I think you guys are just gonna love this as much as I do. I'm over here like, ooh, where are we going tonight? You know what I'm saying, where are we going? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, you guys. If you like my videos, subscribe. Comment below. Let me know if you're feeling this like purple rain action here. And last but not least, strut and slay. How many times can I say pigment in one video, okay? It's finally spring. What to do, what to do. Like me, you might not be, oh, I was like, is there something in my teeth? Should I start, okay, no, what am I doing? Okay, low-key, there kind of is something in my teeth. Check, check, better, easier that way. Check, 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 check.